What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a super quick video. I'm just about to literally cut my hair. I already have it silked out. I literally just got done with it, so you know what I'm saying, fresh silk press or whatever. But I'm about to go ahead and cut it. Like, I'm tired of like this unevenness. Like, it's not even like super bad, but you can just tell like this side is like, you know, it's just uneven. And honestly, I haven't got a trim in months. Ever since I got my hair cut into like the asymmetrical bob, which is my birthday, April. It was like a day before my birthday, April 3rd to be exact. So April, May, June, July, August. Girl, it's been like 5 months. Not even like, it's been 5 months and some change since I actually had some scissors to my hair. So normally I don't go that long without getting a trim, like especially if I need it. And I have honestly been needing a trim so bad. Cause girl, like I was telling y'all in a previous video, I feel like the ends of my hair did get like a little over processed. But let me tell y'all something though. I'm gonna do a video real soon on my new wash day routine, because I did pick up some revert my little edges back now. I ain't got a touch up in a while. But I did pick up some new Alpha G or Faux G. Y'all know I can't say it right. Don't be coming for me in the comments. But I picked up a bunch of new products, and when I tell you, they got my hair like just, it's just together. I hardly even want to cut it because I'm like, my ends don't even feel bad anymore. Like everything about my hair just feels healthy. Like them Alpha G products are really no joke. The Alpha G products are perfect for chemically processed hair, for relaxed hair. Texlaxed is like, that is favorite product now. So it just got my hair feeling real like healthy. It's like, girl, I don't even need to trim, but I know I do. I know I need to just like cut it even. I think that's my main thing. I just want it to be even. And I just, you know, another thing, girl, I'm always doing something crazy. So I just got finished taking out my braids last night. Or did me some little braids, and when I tell you I done cut my hair up, I like cut it. I don't even know if you could tell, but I cut, you know when you like cutting the weave off, I cut it too short, like up and through here. You probably can't even see it, but I know where it's at. It's like some short pieces back here. So it's like, it's time. It is time for a nice little haircut. I think you can see it right here. Y'all see that? Girl. So yeah, I accidentally like cut off my hair in the back anyway, and it's like, it's fine because I don't be tripping about my hair. But it's just time for me to cut it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. I know y'all be wanting to see how I cut my own hair at home. This is just a blunt cut, nothing fancy. If I do have to go in and do like a little trimming, I'll just be doing like this, but I'm not giving myself like layers or nothing. I'm really just trimming my split ends and doing a blunt cut. That's it. So everything is gonna be even, and yeah, it's really the most simple cut to do. You can just, that's it. So without further ado, my hair is probably gonna be an inch, maybe 2 shorter. I don't know how short I'm gonna go. It just depends on how I'm feeling once I get to cutting, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really got no goal. I don't really have a plan. We just gonna see what happens, okay? Lord Farquaad. Y'all gotta admit his bob was popping. It was black and shiny. Here is the finished results. I feel like I didn't get it as good in the back. Like I feel like it's going kind of like in a V. So I'll have my husband help me with this later, because all you really gotta do is go straight around. But it's kind of hard to go completely straight when you know it's kind of tricky. So I might have him help me just, you know, straighten it up in the back. But here it is. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm happy with it. I'm so happy that I feel like I finally got it even. So I honestly don't even feel like I took off a lot. Probably like an inch or something like that. But yeah, a lot didn't really come off. I like it though, because my hair, it feels even better, because I know I had split dead ends on my hair. So my hair feels even better. Like, girl, she's in here now. And like I told y'all before too, I want to start trimming off like all that straight hair that I have on the bottom. So I'm definitely gonna like keep this length going, just keeping my little, you know, blunt bob seasons or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on my Texlaxed journey. Like I said, next time I am going to be showing y'all my new wash day, because I'm telling you, I feel like I'm figuring this thing out. I'm figuring out this Texlaxed life, and these products, girl, these products just changed my wash day game. Okay, changed it all the way. So anyway, here's my cut. Enough blabbing, I'm about to go. Here's the cut, girls. Do you love it? Do you like it? If you like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment below about what you want to see next. And yeah, I just love this. Like, my hair is so I'm happy with what I did. Like I said, I'm gonna get it straightened up just a little bit, just a little bit. So the back might be a little shorter next time y'all see me, but I'm gonna leave it alone for right now. That's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye, girl.